Bonjour, moi c'est Gbenga et je suis prof de français ici au Nigeria. Hello, my name is Gbenga and I'm a French educator in Nigeria. Currently, I'm working on a documentary that promotes the French language and culture in Nigeria, and I found something fascinating in Ibadan, or your state, that I would like to share with you.
Parle de ton école. Mon école s'appelle École internationale franco-africaine. Dans mon école, il y a la soupie, il y a la toboggan, il y a la bibliothèque, il y a la poste de sécurité, il y a la salle de classe, il y a la bureau, il y a la bibliothèque. Merci beaucoup.
Officially, in 1996, the late General Sani Abacha declared French language as Nigeria's second official language. In the ancient city of Ibadan, which is often considered as the second largest city in Africa after Cairo, I found a school that is training Nigerian kids to become fully bilingual before the age of 12. At Franco-African International School, all subjects are being taught in English and in French. I went to the school to see what actually is the magic here, and this is what I found.
C'est quoi? Les fleurs. Les fleurs. Les fleurs.
Le sujet c'est quoi? Que faites-vous à la maison avant de venir à l'école? Maintenant, avant de venir à l'école, qu'est-ce que vous devez faire? Qui va répondre? Qui? Oui. Bethel.
À l'école, je me brosse les dents, je me lave, je prends mon petit déjeuner, je porte mon chaussure et chaussettes. Je dis au revoir maman et au revoir papa.
Très bien, merci. Applaudissez pour elle.
Alors pourquoi tu aimes la langue française?
J'aime la langue française parce que c'est passionnant, j'aime ça beaucoup. Et puis je veux impressionner mes parents. Je veux aussi aller en Paris et des autres places qui parlent français. Alors c'est pour ça que j'aime la langue française.
There was a time the mother traveled to one of these French-speaking countries, Geneva to be precise. And you know Geneva, French is their language there. Yeah, Switzerland, yeah. So she now had a kind of communication problem with the hotel attendant. So she was in limbo, so to speak, and she had to do a video call with the boy. So giving him the phone to, okay, let the French guy explain whatever he wants to explain, and the guy will translate for the mother. And that was what happened. And the French man was so excited that, where did you learn your French from? Are you from a French speaking country? Okay, you are not even from, because your mother cannot speak French. So the mother started explaining that there is a school in Nigeria that we enrolled them in, and the rest is history. And we made friends with that guy. And there is another person in our workplace in Geneva that really took interest in Atilola, our son. The way he spoke his French, it was so, the guy was so excited that, wow, if an infant, a young child can speak French like this, even some French infants cannot speak the way he speaks the French. So that was one testimony. Then there is another one, a friend of mine. So the guy got an appointment, a political appointment, and now sharing the joy with a friend of mine, but he now tested it in French. So my friend now told him that me, I cannot speak French. What is this? He said that don't worry, go and look for somebody that will translate for you. He now brought the something, and my boy translated everything, and that guy is ready to meet my boy now. There is a process where they will meet each other, and there is another friend of mine that wants him to come to French for his holiday simply because he knows how to speak French very well. And to God be the glory, this recent French certification exam that they did at Alliance Française Delft, he got 91%. So that shows me that okay, it's not a mistake choosing Franco-African and enrolling them in Franco-African. And the sister is speaking up too, doing very well. So I'm happy, I'm here.
Et est-ce que tu es francophone? Tu viens d'où?
Je viens de Nigeria.
Ah bon, tu es nigérian?
Oui.
Et tu parles français?
Oui.
Où est-ce que tu as étudié, tu as appris le français?
Au Franco-African International.
Dans cette école?
Oui.
Alors tu as commencé tes études dans cette école?
Oui, j'ai commencé ça dans cette école.
Et toi, tu as commencé tes études ici?
Oui.
Génial. Alors tu peux parler anglais?
Oui, et aussi français.
Oh, tu parles anglais, français. Tu parles combien de langues?
Je parle 2 langues.
Lesquelles?
Anglais et français, toutes les deux.
Alright, let's speak English now. So why do you like French language?
So I like French language because of it's a really interesting language, and I want to impress my mom and dad, and I want to go to other countries to speak French.
Oh, that's beautiful. And you, why do you like French?
Because of when you go to other countries, you can have the opportunity of speaking with other people. We don't only speak English, so we can go to any country of our own.
Ok, d'accord. D'habitude, qu'est-ce que tu fais le week-end?
Le week-end, je aide ma maman avec son travail. Je fais les cours de la maison. Et aussi, je parle français avec ma maman et ma soeur.
D'accord. Ta soeur parle français aussi?
Oui, elle parle français. Elle étudie la même école que moi, Franco.
Oh, ici. Elle a appris le français ici, dans cette école?
Oui.
C'est génial. Et toi, tu as des frères, tu as des soeurs?
Oui, il y a une frère.
Ah bon? Et il est ici?
Oui.
Et tu parles français avec lui?
Oui.
Et tes parents, ils parlent français aussi?
Non.
Alors, comment tu pratiques le français à la maison?
Je pratique le français avec mon frère.
Alors, mais je ne sais pas pour vous, mais pour moi, en tant que Nigérian, ça me fait vraiment plaisir. Je suis fier de voir les Nigérians qui parlent déjà français à cet âge-ci. En fait, c'est vraiment formidable. Hein?
Yes, thank you, Binga. Well, after about, or probably over 12 years of missionary work, myself and my wife, in Côte d'Ivoire, Cameroon, Senegal, Chad, Niger, and then we came back home to Nigeria. On our arrival back here, we realized that most people, cross over to Ghana to deal with the Anglophone countries around us here. You have lesser people, dealing with these Francophone countries. You realize that the countries that surround Nigeria they are more of the Francophone. So from our studies, you realize that the culture, the barrier of the language, and all of that, probably, those were the hindrances that actually, minimize the operation or the dealings of fraternizing with these other countries and all of that. So, which probably, if we are able to, that will increase our economy and so forth and all of that. So we felt that it was time for us to bridge this gap. So we began to think about it with my wife, and we began to pray, and we tried to, reach out to some of the adults to see if they'll be able to actually, start doing something about it. But we realized that adults, they made up their minds already. It's been tough to actually get them to start looking at studying French and so forth and all of that. So we felt that, well, whichever way we're going to start from somewhere, and we will start with at the elementary school and we can graduate to high school and so forth like that.
Ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Très bien. Que fais-tu à la maison avant de venir à l'école?
Avant de venir à l'école, je lave, je brosse les dents, je porte mon uniforme, je porte mon ceci et ceci, je prends mon sac à dos, je prends mon petit déjeuner, je salue ma parole et je dis et moi pour l'école et je dis au revoir maman et au revoir papa.
Très bien, applaudissez pour Chérie Laurier. Ça c'est magnifique.
Parlez fort.
International, franco-africain, là-bas, pas de soucis, ni de plaie, on travaille beaucoup, on s'amuse aussi, nous sommes amis. Je veux bien, merci, merci pour tout.
Je vais aller.
Oh oui, je vais à l'école. Au revoir, maman. Au revoir, papa.
À l'église, j'ai mangé, j'ai fait mon devoir. On a parti à un supermarché, on a acheté des fruits comme la pomme, banane, les oranges et tout. Quand on a fini, j'ai joué avec mes amis. On a joué de la cache-cache. Et je suis allée à la maison de mon ami avec ma mère. On a joué aussi là-bas. C'était très intéressant.
Alors, pourquoi tu aimes la langue française?
J'aime la langue française parce que c'est une langue très intéressante et c'est une langue facile à apprendre. Et ça peut m'aider dans le futur pour m'avoir un métier à faire. Et la langue française est une langue qui est bien parlée dans le monde. Et c'est tout.
D'accord. Et toi, pourquoi tu aimes la langue française?
J'aime la langue française, il est intéressant et aussi si quelqu'un partit si je partis à un pays francophone, je peux communiquer avec les personnes là-bas parce que je connais la langue française.
So why do you like French?
I like French because French can be useful to me in the future and it's an interesting language to speak and very easy to learn. What you just have to do is like just to learn how to speak it fluently, and when you are in the midst of French people, you can be able to communicate well and not be the odd one out. No?
Good. And you? Why do you like French?
I like French because it's interesting, and if I travel to francophone country, I can communicate with people there because I know French language.
Alors, merci beaucoup. D'habitude, qu'est-ce que tu fais le week-end?
Je joue le football avec mes copains et mes amis et je lis, mais ce n'est pas toutes les fois, et je dors et je mange et aussi je lave mes habits que j'ai portés lundi ou vendredi.
Et toi?
Pendant le week-end, je joue plusieurs des choses, je chante, je prie et aussi je lave mes habits que je veux porter le lundi prochain.
D'accord, merci beaucoup. Tu veux venir? Alors, j'aimerais te poser une question. Pourquoi tu aimes la langue française? Alors, tu parles combien de langues?
3.
Tu parles 3 langues, lesquelles?
L'anglais, français et de Yoruba.
Ah bon, tu parles anglais, français et Yoruba. D'accord, pourquoi tu aimes la langue française?
Parce que quand j'apprends la langue française, ça doit être simple de trouver un emploi.
Ok, pour trouver un emploi dans un pays francophone. Ok. And why do you like French? Can you say that in English?
Yes, sir. Because it is going to be easy for me to find a job. It's going to be easy for me to find a job and to pay me a lot of money.
Okay, pay you a lot of money.
I came here like 16 years ago, to be precise. Because my first daughter started from kindergarten and she's in the university now. I have 3 of them and they all went through the school. The catch is actually knowing that the school is thorough in French. I really love bilingual thing. Because even as a Nigerian, if you can speak Hausa fluently, it takes you a very long way. Not to talk of speaking an international language. So that is the catch. That is what brought me to this school about 16 years ago. And my 3 children passed through this school. They've all left. And my first child is at the university already. And they're still doing very well in French. Yes, especially my second daughter. She's so involved. Sit for any international exam and she's doing well. As a matter of fact, I have a plan. She's going to do her first degree in France because of the language. She's doing very well. Very well. In our secondary school, sometimes they take her from the junior school to go and represent school for the senior level, and she'll still beat them hands down. The last competition she had at Alliance Française, she was in GS2 then, she represented the senior category. She came first overall in the competition. So at least the reason of coming to this school is that French language, and with my children, they are doing beautifully well wherever they are. They are really proud that they have a second language apart from their father tongue, which is Yoruba, and English, which is the common language in Nigeria.
Yes, learning a foreign language opens several doors of opportunities, but did you also know that learning a foreign language such as French could develop your social and cognitive abilities? Perhaps you even wish to learn more foreign languages such as Spanish and Portuguese, because these languages are similar. They are called Romance languages. When you learn French, it's easy for you to learn Spanish, easy for you to learn Italian, and easy for you to learn Portuguese. So if you plan to to trade with our neighboring countries, you plan to work for the United Nations, you plan to work for ECOWAS, you plan to do business with the African Union, as a Nigerian, I think the first point of the part is French language. My name is Benga Ege, and you can reach me on the number showing on your screen right now. Merci beaucoup d'avoir suivi ce documentaire et on se retrouve à très bientôt.